Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you hair masks that will help your hair grow healthy, longer and stronger. Please, if you like this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends and loved ones. Also click on the post notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. So the first ingredient on our list is honey. Honey contains antimicrobial, antifungal and antibacterial properties that help fight bacteria and also nourish and hydrate the hair. The next ingredient is banana. Bananas contain silica. This helps make the hair stronger and thicker. They also help heal dry and flaky scalp and relieve dandruff. Get a bowl. Peel your bananas inside of the bowl. These bananas are fresh and organic. I made use of 3 pieces of bananas. After doing that, use your fork or spoon to mash your bananas inside the bowl to get a smooth paste. I didn't get the result I wanted, so I had to use my blender off camera. The next ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon increases the circulation of the hair follicles and encourages the growth of new strands. Cinnamon also contains antimicrobial properties that help combat hair loss and dandruff. So, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder into the bowl containing the banana. And if you want to add 2 or more tablespoons of cinnamon powder, it's your own cup of tea. And also, maybe if your hair is longer, there's some people with very long hair. Set that aside. The next ingredient is honey. My honey is almost finished, so I added 1 tablespoon of honey to the mask or the treatment. Next, I added moringa oil. I made this oil myself, and there's a video of how I made this moringa infused oil in my YouTube channel. You can scroll down and check. You'll see how I made moringa infused oil. I added 1 tablespoon of moringa oil to this mask. Mix all of these ingredients together to form a smooth paste. So here our mask is ready. You can use this mask on your hair once a week or 2 times in a month. I'll be showing you how to apply this mask on your hair. So for the application, I'll be dividing my hair into 4 sections like this. Into 5. I can't see it. I don't know if it's neat. But I'll be dividing my hair into 4 sections like this. Huh? what I'm going to be adding to my hair. This is the banana and